my dear students, today I am going to take the next unit of accountancy, bills of exchange. In this module, we will learn about bills of exchange, promissory note and difference between bills of exchange and promissory note. Let us start the concept of bills of exchange with an example. Here are two persons, Ramesh and Herman. Ramesh is the seller and Herman is the buyer. Ramesh sold goods to Herman, but Herman do not have any cash to pay. So Ramesh draws a bill on Herman and sent it to her for acceptance. Herman gives her acceptance for the bill to pay a certain amount of money at a certain date. This concept is known as bills of exchange. Definition of bills of exchange. A bill of exchange is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker. Maker is drawer, drawing a directive a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. Specimen of a bills of exchange. In this specimen, there are two parties, Mr. Rashid and Mr. Hamid. 2 months after date, this is a certain time period of making the payment of a bill. To Mr. Kamal Akmal or his order a sum of rupees 30,000 only. This is the certain amount of money. Now, parties of bills of exchange. Features of bills of exchange. A bill of exchange must be in writing. It must contain an order to make payment. The order of payment must be unconditional. This is an order, not a request. The amount of bill of exchange must be certain. The date of payment should be certain. It must be signed by the drawer of the bill. It must be accepted by the drawee of the bill by signing on it. It must be stamped as per the legal requirements. Now, the parties to a bills of exchange. There are 3 parties to a bill of exchange: drawer, drawee, and payee. Drawer is the seller of the goods, drawee is the buyer of the goods, and payee is the person to whom payment is to be made. It can be drawer himself, it can be a bank when we discount the bill from a bank, and when drawer endorses a bill, then endorsee is also payee. Now, drawer. Drawer is the person who is entitled to receive the payment, and he is the seller of the goods. Drawee. Drawee is the person who accepts the bill. He purchased goods on credit and he is liable to pay money to the drawer. Payee. Payee is the person who receives the payment from the drawee. He can be the drawer himself. He can be the endorsee in case of endorsement of bill, and in case of discounting of bill, it can be a bank. Now in brief, Drawer is the seller. Roy is the buyer, and payee is the person to whom payment is to be made. Can be drawer himself, can be endorsee, or can be a bank. This is all about bills of exchange. Now, the next concept is promissory note. A promissory note is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional undertaking. It is not an order signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money only. Here, the maker is a person who has to make payment. Features of promissory note. There must be unconditional promise, not an order, to pay a certain sum of money on a certain date. It must be signed by the maker. The name of the payee must be mentioned on it. It must be stamped according to its value. Parties to a promissory note. There are only two parties to a promissory note: maker and payee. Maker is the person who makes the promise to pay the amount on a certain date. Payee is the person who is entitled to get the payment from the maker of promissory note. Difference between bill of exchange and promissory note. Here, the creditor is the drawer, but in promissory note, debtor is the drawer. Means, in bills of exchange, drawer is the person who is entitled to receive the payment, but in promissory note, drawer is the person who is to make the payment, who is liable to make the payment. In bills of exchange, it is an order to pay, but in promissory note, it is promise to pay. Bills of exchange has three parties, promissory note has two parties. Bills of exchange need acceptance, but promissory note does not need any acceptance. Bills of exchange, in case of dishonor, it is better to get it noted for non-payment, but in promissory note, noting is necessary. Bill payable on demand need not to be stamped, but otherwise stamp would be necessary in every case of bills of exchange. But promissory note, it has to be stamped in any case. In bills of exchange, 3 copies are made, but in promissory note, only 1 copy is prepared, whether it is foreign or local. So, this is the difference between bills of exchange and promissory note. So, my dear students, I hope all the concepts are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.